Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll learn what is a set and what is an element of a set. Also, we'll see some examples, so let's start. First of all, we define what is a set. A set is a collection of distinct objects. That means there should not be any duplicate values in a set. For example, here we have a set of colors. We have red, blue, green, yellow, and orange. Here each color is separated by a comma. This is a set of colors. Okay, so here we don't write red, comma, red because that's a duplicate value. We don't allow duplicate values in a set. Set is denoted by a capital letter, and elements of a set are denoted by a lowercase letter. And elements are the members of a set. In this set, red, blue, green, yellow, and orange are the elements of the set. Now, how do we check if a certain value is an element of a set or not? For that, we use the symbol belongs to. If the value is an element of the set, then we say that the value belongs to the set. For example, here we want to check if the color blue is an element of the set colors. We write blue belongs to colors, and yes, it is an element of the set, so this statement is true. Now, if we want to check if the color purple is an element of the set colors, we write purple belongs to colors, and this statement is false. Now, we define what is a well-defined set. A well-defined set is a set whose elements can be clearly determined. For example, here we have a set of even numbers from 1 to 10, so we can clearly see the elements of this set. It is a well-defined set. But if we have a set like this, where we have a collection of all beautiful girls in your class, it is not a well-defined set because the word beautiful is subjective. There is no clear criteria to determine what makes a girl beautiful. So this set is not well-defined. Let's see one more example. Here we have a set of all cars that cost more than $1 million. So here also we cannot clearly see the elements of the set because there is no clear criteria to determine which car costs more than $1 million. So this set is not well defined. Now let's see an exercise. Which of the following is a well-defined set? Justify your answer. A. A collection of all boys in your class. B. A collection of efficient doctors in Black Lion Hospital. C. A collection of all natural numbers less than 100. D. The collection of songs by artist X. Let's see the correct answer. In option A, we have a collection of all boys in your class. So here we have a set of boys in a class. Yes, this is a well-defined set because the criteria for membership, that is being a boy and being in your class, is clear and unambiguous. That means if you are a boy in that particular class, then you are an element of this set. Otherwise, you are not an element of this set. In option B, we have a collection of efficient doctors in Black Lion Hospital. So here we have a collection of efficient doctors. No, this is not a well-defined set because the term efficient is subjective. That means there is no clear criteria to determine who is an efficient doctor and who is not, so this set is not well defined. In option C, we have a collection of all natural numbers less than 100. So here we have a set of natural numbers less than 100. Yes, this is a well-defined set because the criteria for membership is very clear. That means if a number is less than 100, then it is an element of this set. Otherwise, it is not an element of this set. In option D, we have the collection of songs by artist X. So here we have a collection of songs by a particular artist. Yes, this is a well-defined set because the criteria for membership is very clear. That means if a song is by artist X, then it is an element of this set. Otherwise, it is not an element of this set. So the correct answer is A, C, and D. That's all for this video. If you liked this video, then hit the like button and comment down below. See you in the next video.